Good afternoon and welcome to another Project Bimmer video, my 1995 E36 BMW 318i, and in this video I'm going to be replacing this front nose panel. Now, something I did since the last video was to sort out the central lock, and it wasn't working, so I didn't struggle with the key, but remote just needed a replacement battery, and they were only a couple of quid on Amazon for a pack of 5. As you can see, it works perfectly. So I can use a remote to lock and unlock it. So what I need to do, I need to pop the bonnet. We can start dismantling this lot again like I did in the last video. If I can find where to release the bonnet, there we go. And I've got to take all this off again, and I should be able to get the bumper off, because what was stopping me last time was some rusty screws between the bumper and the wheel arch liner. So I'll give them a douse of the old penetrating fluid, and I might have to use my mole grips. So I'll get it all apart again and I'll come back to you when that's all done. Well, I finally managed to get the bumper off, and these two fixings were a bit troublesome, and I had to waste the bolts, but that's not a problem because I've got replacement hardware, 8mm bolts, so any rusty mullered bolts I can just replace them. So getting this nose panel off should be quite simple, because you've got 2 bolts under here and 2 under there, and I can get to them. We're still time with replacing the bumper, so see the condition of it. A bit scraped up, that side's fine, but you can see the scrapes on it, so kick me out for another bumper. I'm not intending to go M3 or out like that, I just want to get it looking as good as I can. Right, I've undone all the screws, so this should just pull straight out. So, moment of truth, yep, look at that, straight out. So most of it's intact, but I think it's just too badly bent. You can see how bad it is, how all the damage is at this side. So I'll put this to one side. I might be able to do something with that. And there's a little hardware I need to take off this one, and it's for positioning the headlamp. So with me grips, what you want to call them, what, plug pliers. Just remove this. There's one on the there's already one on the other side, so I just need to swap one over. But on this nose panel I bought, it's actually a facelift version. Mine's a pre-facelift. Now, unfortunately, the grills are not interchangeable. So if you've got a facelift nose panel, you'll need a facelift grills. I only found that out when I was cleaning it up off camera. And this seems to be fighting me. I just don't want to play ball. But you know, I'm not one to give up. I will prevail. And there we go, that's out. Got that out, that's what I need. That's it, I'll show you. Because there's one on that side, but there isn't one there. So, you know, when you're swapping things over like this, don't throw anything away, because you never know what you might need. So just get this screwed in, and then I can offer it up. But 25 quid including the grills in exactly the right colour, which is a Montreal Blue, as the Germans would say it, Montreal Blue. To get one in the right colour is a bonus. 25 quid, and as you saw on the road trip video, I had to go down to Kidderminster in Worcestershire to collect it. So it was worth the cost of the diesel. Right, so now it's time to offer this up. Now, I've still got to put some bolts in so they wouldn't get lost, so I better take them out. So because at the back of the grill are 10s. There's 4 10s there. I need to take those out. I thought I'd just run them in just to make sure threads are okay. So just run these out. Put them there so they wouldn't get lost. There's an also 8 at the bottom of this side, there's one on that side, so I'll get that 8 out. Alright, so that's it. I've no hardware in the way. Offer this up. Just make sure that's in, yep. Offer this up. Just carefully offer it all up. So that's about the right spot, yeah, it's all looking good. So I can now start to fasten stuff up. So with anything else, you always get the bolts started before you tighten them for good. And I'm gonna fasten all this hardware up, do this off camera, so you don't need to see me putting all various fastenings in. And I'll put the headlights in, button all that up, and you can see it when I've done. So I've got the grill secured, and actually I think it does look a bit nicer with the facelift grill. Not quite original, but it's definitely better than it was before. So get the lights in, get the bumper back on, and it should be good. So it's all buttoned up, looking a lot better than before, even though I do say so myself. I still think I need a bumper, because it's still not right. It's damaged some. I probably need a new arch liner on that side, but I could probably stick a front number plate and it's usable. So I'll probably keep my eye out for another front bumper, but everything above the bumper is all sorted. So that's it for this particular video. So please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, select all, and you get notified when one of my videos comes out. Questions and comments, where put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.